Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this video, we will solve the chapter number 7, the coordinate geometry, the exercise 7.2 children. Right now, in the last video, you have learned what is the use of the section formula, why we'll use the section formula, and how to derive the section formula. So section formula we'll use to find the coordinates which the line segment dividing the line segment in the some ratio. So for that reason, we are using the section formula. So here the 7.2 is exercise is based on the same section formula. We'll use the section formula and we'll solve the problem, right students? Now the question is the find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of -1 comma 7 and 4 comma -3 in the ratio 2:3, right? So again I'll say the question, you need to find the coordinates of the point so which divides the join, nothing but, so one line is there, suppose, so if it's a AB is a line segment and it is dividing in the ratio some, it is dividing in the some point, let me call this as P, and it dividing in the ratio 2:3, right? So you need to find the coordinates of this point, so therefore you need to find the coordinates of P of xy. So therefore here they have given the 2 points, -1 comma 7 is the first one, A coordinates, so -1 comma 7, and this is 4 comma -3, right? And this coordinates that you need to find out, so P of x comma y, right children? So AB is a line segment which dividing in the ratio 2:3. You need to find the coordinates of this P of xy, right? So therefore let me write, let the point P divides the line joining the points the line joining the points A of -1 comma 7 and B of 4 comma -3 in the ratio in the ratio 2:3. So therefore you need to find the coordinates of P of xy, right? So now by using a section formula we can find the coordinates of x and y children, right? So what is the section formula? So therefore I'll write the section formula, P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula, right? So now write down the coordinates of A and B. So what are the coordinates of A and B? A of -1 comma 7 and B of 4 comma -3. It's dividing in the ratio 2:3, right? Now just as usual, write down this one as first one as x1 y1 and the second one as x2 y2, and this one is nothing but m1 m2, because this line segment is dividing in the ratio m1 is to m2. That is meant to be a section formula, right? So therefore here 2:3, this line is dividing in the ratio 2:3, so therefore write down this as m1 is to m2, right? So therefore I'll write down the value. So what is x1? X1 is -1 here, comma y1 is 7, and now here x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. Here this one has m1 is equals to 2 and m2 is equals to 3. right children? Now here you are having the all the values, just apply this value in this section formula and simplify it, right? Now you are finding the coordinates of xy, so therefore that's equals to, now here m1 is how much, 2, so therefore 2 into here x2 is how much, 4, plus now m2 is 3 into here x1, we need x1 is how much, minus 1 divided by, so m1 plus m1 is 2 plus m2 is 3, comma here m1 is 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 3 into y1 is 7 divided by m1 plus m2, nothing but 2 plus 3, right children? Now simplify this, you'll get the x and y coordinates, right? So therefore 4 2s are 8. Now just multiple the numbers first, afterwards multiple the symbols also. Now 3 1s are 3, I'll write the number 3, plus into minus is minus, so therefore 8 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5, comma here 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now multiple the symbols also, plus into minus is minus, so therefore minus 6, 2 3s are 6, plus into minus is minus, so therefore minus 6. Now plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5, right? Now simplify this, you'll get the answer. Okay, so p of x comma y is equals to, now 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5 divided by 5, comma here plus minus into plus is minus, so that means you need to subtract, so 21 minus 6 is nothing but 15, and sign of a biggest number, so biggest number is plus, sorry, biggest number is 21 and sign is plus, so therefore plus 15 divided by 5, right? Now divide it, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 3s are, so therefore that's equals to, so what are the coordinates of p of xy, nothing but here 1, so therefore 1 comma 3, right? So this is the coordinates of p of xy, and this is how we'll solve the problem based on by using a section formula, based on section formula, right children? Thank you.